Hashtag Unpacking Guide 60cm Printer. Unpacking. Open the wooden box. Take out the printer accessories and base stand. Lift the machine smoothly and place it on a flat ground. Remove the anti-vibration foam. Remove the protective film from the printer. Check whether the accessories are complete and whether the machine is in good condition. Installing base and sheet metal. Install the 4 rollers of the bottom bracket. Follow the video to install the 4 legs. Install 2 vertical bars. Install 2 horizontal bars. Install 2 auxiliary bars. Pass the auxiliary stick through the auxiliary rod to install the paper feeder. The base is installed. Lift the printer onto the base. Align the screws at the bottom of the printer with the base snap-on screws and tighten them. Install the ink tank sheet metal and place the ink tank in it. Install the waste ink tank sheet metal and put the waste ink tank in it. Connecting the ink tank. Cut the ink tube to the corresponding length and connect it to the ink tank. Note that the color of the ink bottle cap label should correspond to the color of the ink tube label. Turn on the power for white ink stirring. Ink tank connection complete. Power up. Use a screwdriver to remove the ink carriage fixing bracket. Connect the power cable. Turn on the main switch. Switch on the heating button and vacuum button. Waiting for initialization to complete. Press the keypad function to ensure printer motion is normal. Press and hold down the Out button to check whether the tractor wheel can rotate normally. Installation of the film. Release the paper pressure roller switch on the printing platform. Install the single-sided cold tear film on the paper feeder and tighten the feeder fixing screws after installation. Pass the cold tear film through the paper pressure roller. Adjust the sheet metal that holds the film on the left and right. Align it in the center and tighten the screws to secure it. Press the paper pressure roller switch. Press and hold the Out button to ensure that the film is centered and will not run out of position. Setting the Ethernet IP address. Connect the network cable to the computer.电脑设置 IP. Open Network Connections, Ethernet, right-click Properties. TPC, IPv4. Just follow the video, enter these values. Installation software. Open the USB flash drive. Find the installation package and open it. Click Next Installation to install the driver environment. Add ink. Shake the ink bottle and pour it into the corresponding color ink bottle. Loading ink on software. Click on the software Load Ink. After 30 seconds of ink loading, click on Stop. Then wait for 5 seconds. Then click again Load Ink for 5 seconds. Press the button L to check whether there is ink in the ink pad. Press the button Clean and wait until the cleaning is complete. Print detection. The computer clicks check or the keypad clicks nozzle. The printer will print detection lines. It is normal to have less than 10 missing lines. Connection of automatic powder shaker. Push the powder shaking machine over and prop up the film support baffle. Long press out to let the film out. Pass the film through the powder shaker and connect it to the paper take-up reel. And stick it with tape. Connecting the power cable for automatic film winding. Switch on the all function switches on the shaker. The purpose of each switch on the powder shaking machine. Press and hold the out button. The film will fall onto the sensor to collect the film automatically. Pour the powder into the tray. Print pattern. Import the pattern. Confirm the size and click on the spot color setting. White ink, select spot and click print. Printer starts printing. After drying by the automatic powder shaking machine, cut off the single-sided cold tear film. Use the heat press machine to press the printed pattern onto the clothes.